Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Troy, I got a surprise for you. Do you want to see?
Yes, Daddy.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, turn around.
What is that big
Woo! Do you like it?
Yeah. I want to
Troy,
Yeah.
are you ready to see what's in there?
Yes, Daddy.
Okay, show me your happy dance first. Wow! Nice moves! Whoa, look at that footwork! Yeah! Wow!
It's that blaze.
Ooh, the flaming stunts blaze. Comes with a die-cast blaze. Ready? Drop blaze down, go! Woo! Whoa!
Shot.
Wow! Whoa! That was an awesome stunt, Blaze.
Look, Darrington.
It's a talking Darrington. Nice.
Wow, the talking Zag.
Talking Zag, cool.
What?
He needs more speed. Zag needs more
Toy
speed.
That's so blaze.
Cool. It's a slam and go Blaze. Whoop. Hey, hit the camera. Look, it's coming after you. Whoa.
You always hit me. Go and blaze.
Ready?
Wow, blaze. It's right in Zag. Look.
Yeah, it's plushies. Is it soft?
It's so squishy.
Who's this guy? What's his name?
Right.
Yeah, Stripes.
Blaze.
Blaze.
Zag.
Ooh, what else do we have in there?
That is Blaze toy.
Diecast Blaze toys. Wow, who's this guy? It's Joe. Ooh, look at that.
Joe.
Joe's got blonde hair and a big foam hand.
Joe. Whoa.
More diecast toys. This one is Crusher.
Wow.
It's another diecast Blaze toy, yeah, and this one is Gus.
Gus.
Look, Gus is like ready to work out or something. Look, he's got a headband on.
He gets everywhere.
Yeah. Diecast Blaze. Cool diecast toys.
Wow, we're working Blaze toy. Look.
Let me see.
He's working everything.
Ooh, it's a wrecking crane Blaze.
Let's play with it.
Okay, let's play with it.
Destroy me, robot. You cannot.
Get the robot now.
Yeah.
Whoa! Robot knocked down.
Okay, knock the barrel.
Knock the barrels. Ooh, there's more barrels left. Ooh, the other one's still sending. Yeah, good job wrecking. Boom! Nice wrecking action.
Wow, Street Buzzer.
It's It's a cannon blast crusher. Oh, so there's gonna be some cool shooting action with this. Okay, you ready to shoot some targets?
Yeah.
Wow, you got the target. Wow, good shot, Troy.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Wow, that was a good shot.
In that shot.
Yeah.
Well, please again.
There's a Blaze Turbo Launcher.
Yeah.
Hit your feet. Ooh, you almost went inside there.
Oh, so big.
It's a Monster Dome playset. Ooh, I think we can connect this with the other playset. Wow, cool set. Look at the loop-de-loop and the ring of fire.
Blaze versus Crusher.
Blaze versus Crusher, Bull Crusher there.
Okay, you beat Crusher.
Okay, so you go first, Blaze. Let's see. Oh, you missed the jump. Wow, you got through the ring of fire. Wow, loop-de-loop action.
I want to go.
Oh, the shark's gonna jump him. Nom, 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 nom. Woo!
Yeah.
Blaze got through the ring of fire. Wow, that's too fast. I didn't see what happened. Crusher, you okay? Crusher's good. Wow.
Can I do that?
Good job.
Yeah,
You like this toy?
Yeah.
Wow, nice. Look, it looks cool after reconnecting some of the other sets that we have.
Yeah.
Woo! Whoa, through the flames. Whoa, Crusher, crush. Whoa, nice job, Blaze. Hey, did you like all your surprises, Troy?
Yeah, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome, Troy. Hi, AJ.
Yeah, Joe.
Oh, sorry. What do you have there, Troy?
I have a jam, a rat hat. Yeah!
Woo!
Let's open it! It's the Blade Power Wheel!
Woo! Hi, buddy.
And that's a little bit more surprises!
Let's do it!
Oh, it's a transforming blade jet!
Whoa!
I'm gonna press this button.
That's the one. Ooh.
Really give me lift.
Whoa, the wings come out when he's flying.
He's way, way high.
Woo!
He's on top of the end.
Check this out. Thrust is a must.
the Transformers fire truck!
Cool!
Wee-oo.
Whoa, that's a cool fire truck Blaze! Wow! Wow! It transformed into monster truck Blaze!
I want to turn me back to Fire of Blaze.
Wow!
Time for some H2O. On and ready.
We'll open more surprise toys. Oh, it's Blaze Mega Block.
Wow, who's that?
It's Blaze.
There's Blaze. Wow!
Oh,
Woo!
this is our Blaze Mega Block. It's there.
Cool! Blaze Mega Blocks. It's Smash Stunt Zeg. Wow, Zeg, take it easy.
One and two. Now we're ready to jump in the rope.
Wow!
Oh, yes! Oh, it's talking Blaze!
I'm ready to race. Give me some speed.
Give me some speed.
Ready to blaze into action?
Yeah!
Time blaze.
This one's very big.
Yeah, what is that?
Oh, it's Flame Volcano Blaze set.
Oh, it's a flaming volcano playset. Woo! Comes with a double launcher. Comes with a die-cast Blaze.
Volcano Blaze.
Look at those
is
molten
flying.
lava.
He's going to jump on the ring.
Yeah.
Wow, look at this. It's a cool set.
Yeah.
And out.
Let's do this part right here, some spinning. Ready? Go! Whoa! Whoa!
Again.
Wow! Both of them.
Yay.
Ready? Whoa! Wow, you're digging deep.
Oh, Darrington is stripes.
Oh, what is this? Oh, it's a flip and race, Darrington and Stripe. Woo! 2-in-1 monster truck turned into race car.
Oh, it's a big one. It's a big one.
Oh, it is.
Help.
Woo! I got you.
Oh, it's a flipping race speedway.
Whoa! Cool flip and race speedway. Comes with a flip and race Blaze. Comes with a turbo launcher and a turbo flipper.
Let's play with it. Cool stuff.
Yeah, it is. I like it. And it comes with this Blaze. Look at this.
Flip over like
Yeah,
that.
let's see how this transfers. Whoa! So who you gonna try first?
Okay.
Ready, go. Whoa! Blaze made it through.
Okay.
Hold on a second. Let's put him back there. Whoa! You made it!
Then I will do that again.
You wanna try stripes?
Yeah.
Go. Whoa, he's so much faster. Whoa, you made it through. Woo.
Ready, set, go.
Wow, this one's fast.
Really fast.
Really. Ooh. Wow, did you see that transformation?
Yeah. Oh. Oh, yes.
Whoa, nice transformation, Stripes. Whoa. Okay, Troy, do you want to check if they have any more surprises in there?
Yeah. I guess that's it, Daddy.
Oh, so there's no more?
Yeah.
Woo! So that's it. Troy, did you like your surprise toys?
Yeah. Thank you, Daddy.
No problem, Troy. Hey Marshall, where you going? Coming to get you, Marshall.
Ow.
Get up, Marshall. Hey Marshall, you want to go inside?
Yeah.
Let's go inside. I got a surprise for you.
Oh.
Let's go. Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da,
Oh, wow. This is Papa Noel. I love it.
Whoa, you like it?
Yeah.
Look what's behind you.
Jay, now I want to.
It's a giant chase. Look, it's bigger than you.
Hello, I'm Chase. Boing, boing.
Are you ready to see what's inside the giant egg?
Yeah!
Okay.
Oh my, it's a big.
Okay, do you need help? Oh, it's so big, it's stuck. Look, it says try me. Whoa, it's making all kinds of cool airplane noise.
That's a dragon.
What? Dragon? Whoa. What? You hit Chase. Hey. Woo, Robopop. Look, I think you can open here too. Look. The Robopop wants to be in there?
No, see. No.
Close him up. He jumped out. Troy, you ready to open your next surprise?
Yeah.
Cool. There's all the pops in there.
And chocolate in the cat.
Yeah, it's an action pack Pops Metallic Series. It's limited edition. Wow, look at all of them, so shiny.
Let's open it.
Wow, look at that. And there's Chickaletta too. He's jumping on top of everybody.
Would everyone
Ooh.
want to come in?
Yeah, maybe they want to ride the air patroller.
Oh, I want to come. Everyone wants to come. Let's. Ooh, robot dog. What are you doing?
Yeah, that's it. I don't think they all can fit.
Oh, deep fine.
No, they can't fit. Oh, you dropped the pop. Oh no. Woo. So, are you ready to open your next surprise?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go check what you have inside the egg.
Okay. There's cookies.
Cool, plushies. Who's that?
It's Marshall. Chase.
Oh, Chase. Hi, Chase.
I hug you.
Cute. They're so soft.
I want to lie down on them.
What are you doing?
Look, one is standing on top.
What? Oh no. Chase's turn. Whoa, look at all those chases.
Ooh, it's Marshall.
It's an honor roll, Marshall. Ooh, nice. It's a fire truck. Yeah.
And Marshall.
Oops.
It hit everywhere.
Gotta be careful. Okay, go grab the next surprise inside the egg. I wonder what it is.
It's rubble.
Cool. Look, it's rubble, lights, and sound. Wow.
It's rubble on a double.
Cool. Oh, it's backing up. Cool, man. Look, it's bulldozing stuff. Rocky, light and sounds, garbage truck. Nice sounds. Rocky. Yeah, look, that can go up. Pick up the garbage.
And down.
It's the back, you can open it where you put the garbage. Did you find any garbage?
Yeah.
Okay, go pick it up.
You stinky, it's the garbage in there. I want to get away from it.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at this.
It's an Adventure Bay Animal Rescue.
The bunny.
Yeah, Chase and Sky.
What's over there? Hi, Sky.
Hi, Chase. Where's the bunnies?
They're up there on that top of the egg.
Are you ready to rescue them?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put the pile in there so,
No one will come in.
nobody will come in there. Okay, let's go up and rescue them.
Okay. I think I'm going to fall.
Yeah. Oh, watch out with that one. Go. Go save that one. Can you put one in my helicopter?
Yeah.
Help me. Good. Oh. Oh, almost got there. Okay, be careful going down. Don't drop anybody. Let's go.
Slowly back up.
Slowly, yeah. Don't drop them. Okay, get down. Wow, that was a good rescue. Thank you. Bloop, 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 bloop. Hey, come with me. Bloop, bloop. Hey. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Is there any more toys in there, Troy?
Yeah.
Fling and fly glider. Look, Troy, catch it.
Fire!
Troy, did you like your surprises today?
Yeah. Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome, buddy.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Bye. And I'll see you next time. Don't forget. Bye.
Whoa, I got that. Dab, dab, dab. Yeah.